So Xiaomi 15 Ultra. In this video, we're going to talk about this Xiaomi 15 Ultra, everything, every feature. It is a true success for the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, which is the last year's best mobile from Xiaomi side. So this mobile comes with the starting the display size. It comes with a 6.82 inches of bigger LTPO AMOLED display, and it is a 144 Hz refresh rate supported, HDR10 plus supported, 1 billion color supported, 10-bit color panel, and it also comes with the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. By the way, this mobile can reach up to 4500 nits of peak brightness according to the news until now. And when we talk about the processor, this mobile comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, which is the upcoming flagship processor from Snapdragon size. And various this mobile is also available in various storage variants. Those are like 12GB RAM 256 and 12GB RAM 512GB and 16GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage variants. Now these all are UFS 4.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X or even better RAM types. And when we talk about the battery, to power up this beast mobile we need a bigger battery. So this mobile is coming with a bigger battery, that is 5000 milliamp hours of battery, and it supports 120 watts of fast charge through wire, and it also supports 50 watts of wireless charge and 28 watts of reverse wireless charge to the other mobiles. And when we talk about these mobiles features like the camera, which is the major thing we have to discuss, that this mobile comes with a quad cameras the rear side, a 200 megapixels of main wide angle camera with the optical image stabilization, which is capable of shooting 8K 30 fps, and a 50 megapixels of secondary ultra wide angle, and a 48 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera, and a 58 megapixels of periscopic zoom lens. So for the front, it comes with a punch hole 50 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. You can shoot up to 4K 30 fps with this front facing selfie camera. And when we talk about the build quality, this mobile comes with a metal build front back glasses. By the way, this mobile also comes with all the flagship features like IP68 water and dust resistance, wireless charge, and great build quality. And by the way, this mobile also comes with the IR blaster. And there are also rumors like there are also news like this mobile comes with almost 15 to 80 5G bands in India. And this mobile comes with stereo speakers that also supports Dolby Atmos, and it also comes with IR blaster, UFS stereo speakers, and 3.5. This mobile doesn't have any 3.5mm jack according to the news until now. And this mobile runs on the latest Android version 15 out of the box. Probably this is the first mobile which comes with the Android version 15 out of the box in India. If so, then this mobile runs on MIUI 15 or latest version. MIUI latest version, I think. And this mobile also comes with a lot of features like this mobile comes with a lot of sensors which are like accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and everything. And this mobile also comes with a box which contains the charger itself, the 120 watts of fast charger, and also a Type-C to Type-C cable also. So these are the features that you will get in this box, and also the accessories that you will get in this box, mobile's box. When we talk about the price, according to the news until now, this mobile might release with a price tag of in between 85 to 92,000 rupees change. But I think personally, if you can get this mobile around like 70k odd, that will be good and great. So this, according to the news until now, this mobile might release by the end of this year. So wait until the mobile releases and purchase the mobile, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And by the way, hit the like button and also the subscribe button and share this video.